Now you know how it is. We're just going to go into our models and make sure that the search model is working well. So first of all, we'll make sure that we have a search that works, and then we make sure that the table name is searches, and then we make sure that the ID you have title, then there is no description for the search. We have a user IP in case we need to pick the user's IP. What is all this? User IP, and that's all sorted out, and every search belongs to a user. Cool. So every search, so we are good to go on this. Now let's quickly look at the controller. That is where most of our work will be. In the controller, we don't need to do a number of things. For instance, if I get to the controller, I'll have to delete all this. We don't need to, well, we might have to track how many people that have searched for PHP if we want to see how many people that have searched, so we can have search view, and then add to add a search view. We don't need this, and then edit. We never have to edit the search, so edit will go. We never really need it. And then delete. We never really need to delete a search result. So this having been sorted out, we're going to look at, okay, so this will help us list all the search terms people have been searching for. But since we've deleted 2 items, let's go to the routes and delete them. Where you have under resources, we have routes. So remember, our model creates a route for us. So we're going to delete the last one, which is delete. So we should just let it go. Then the next one, which is edit. We don't need to edit search, and we're good to go. So we basically want people to search for something, and we as admin, we want to be able to view the list of searches so far, and view how many people have searched stuff. Okay, so just basically for admin, remember that we have our auth middleware ending here, and in your own case, you might just need to copy 2 of these into your auth middleware. So inside the auth middleware, I'm just gonna put, let me just put this here first. So here we're just gonna say only users that are logged in. Only users that are logged in can view a search and view the list of searches. So here we're sorted out. So the idea is that people will just come to our web app and hit on search. So let's go and quickly fix up this form. Then we'll come back to our controller and work it out. So this form is in the navigation. So if we go back to our code and we scroll up, we see templates. Of course, we see templates. Then from templates, see partials. From partials, we see navigation. And then in navigation, we're looking for search. So I'm going to Control F on my keyboard and type search. Okay, there it is, the search button. So this is a form starting from here. The search is a form that starts from here and ends here. So we're going to do what I usually form magic. The first of all, we have our action. Form action should end in path 4. And then in the path 4, it is heading to searches dot add. Okay, or we can just say searches dot find.